I'm Nikki, your host, and I'm super excited to share my passions with you. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of Nikki's lifestyle.
Add small fine. In each fry, you will fry it with oil. You're not baking small. Sorry, your seasoning cube. If it's although the meat is done already, and I've cooked the meat already, so no need of leaving it to done. Add your pepper, add your salt, then mix. This might come from mixed with water. Add your corn flour. A little water. You add your carrot, you have your potato, you can also add it in this stage and allow it to sit for some minutes. And here we have 6 cups of flour, small sugar, egg, butter. You're making fry meat pan. Please be mindful of the quantity of butter you are putting. The quantity of butter they are using to do fry meat pie is not the same with meat pie. Don't put much butter and wash your hand very well. Don't mix. Start adding your water. Small, just add your water bit by bit. Then you add your mix until you get the dough you want. Don't overknead it. Just make it a little bit. Then you cover to sit for 10 or 30 minutes. So I will leave my hand for just 10 minutes. So we are rolling out our dough now. When you are rolling it out, make it to be more flat. Fried meat pie, you make the dough to be more flat. The dough should not be thick. Like it will be tiny. This is our finish. Let's put like 1-2 tablespoons. That's what we have. Then you roll out another one. Because if you don't have a mixed pie cutter, you can now use a plate like this. You're frying our meat pie. Don't be putting it too small. Fry and come. Golden brown and come. This is our meat pie. See our fried meat pie. It's giving. See our fried meat pie. See our fried meat pie. Tell me in the comment section. Will you try it? Actually, this is breakfast for the family this morning. Bye.